guys, I went to Hanbok and buy rival ice cream. I'll show you. This is what my friend got, and this is what I got. You like it?
Yes, this is the satisfying ice cream.
We just love. I also got the viral mango ice cream.
The Korean ice cream is my favorite.
I want to taste. Tastes good. Chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine. I'll tell you when I open. I'll just open this and then just wait for me. Just maybe a minute or seconds. See you for a while. Guys, it's open. There's also this. I don't know what's that, but my mom already opened it. Ooh, it's so peachy, right?
I want to touch
No,
it.
no, don't touch it. Okay, should we eat it? I'm so hungry. I really want it. Okay, let me eat it. Ow, my teeth. It's like mango. Is that makeup? Yeah, it is makeup. Tastes good. It has like that milk. My friend's is chocolate. By Hanbok. In Hanbok, here in Kuwait, in Old Souk, in Kuwait. And that's near my house. It tastes like mango, but a little mixed with milk. I hope my friend Eli doesn't mind. I'll just finish this and come here a second. Or some minutes. See you. It tastes so good. What is your flavor?
My flavor is chocolate.
Mine is mango. As I like mango.
This is I love Korean.
What do you like again?
I love chocolate ice cream.
And Korean ice cream.
Yeah.
It's so cold suddenly. Right now I'm just wearing this. I'm cold while I'm eating ice cream. It's cold here, that's why. Guys, sorry I couldn't show you it, but this is it. It's gone.
Can I
See
drink?
you. Bye.
Can I drink?